Hello everyone and welcome to IRA tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you one important topic in English grammar, that is homophones in English. Along with homophones we are also going to learn homographs and homonyms. So let us see one by one. What is homonyms, homophones and homographs? Okay, these are very important topics in English grammar, and sometimes it creates confusion also, but in its name only answer is given. So if you study the name of this, you will understand it more better. Try to understand with the meaning of the name. The word homonym is often used to describe all words that look or sound the same but have different meanings. In fact, there are two subsets of homonyms: homophones and homographs. So, what is homophone? Homophone are the words that sound the same but have different spellings and meaning. In name only it is given. Homo means same, phone means sound. So, their pronunciation is same but spellings are different. For example, air, ear, and hair. Okay. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have same or different sound but different meaning. Okay. For example, lie. Lie means untruth and lie means lie down. Now heteronyms are the types of homograph that are spelled same but sound different. For example, lead. Lead means to show way, and lead is the name of the metal. Okay. Maximum time children are doing mistakes. Common homophone mistakes are they are doing. They are writing there and means they are confused. They are having confusion in there and there. It's TO2, TWO2 and TOO2. Okay. But with practice you can understand it more better. Now let us see one by one in detail. Okay, homograph. Now homo means what? Homo means same. Graph has to do with writing or drawing. When you think about the graph, you envision a picture. If you read graphic novel, you know they have pictures. Someone drew them. So homograph means same picture or same writing. Homograph are written, that means spellings are same. Okay. Then homophone. Phone has to do with sound. When you talk on telephone, you hear the other person's voice. When people in the hundreds used a gramophone, they were listening to music, and phonology is the study of language sound. So homophone means same sound. That means here their pronunciation will be same. Now homonyms. Nyme means the name. Sometimes their names are different, then it is called homonyms. Okay. Now here are some example of the homophone and homograph. So these are the homograph. Bear. Bear is a kind of animal and bear to carry. Date. Date is a kind of fruit and date is determined the age also, which we can see in calendar. Fast. Fast means quick and fast means to abstain from food. Hide means animal skin and hide means to conceal also. Then address, where one lives, and to address means to give speech also. Compress, medicine put on the cloth and worn next to skin, and compress is press together. Then export, something is to exported, and then export, that means to send product outside. Okay. So that is all about the homophone and homonyms. So you can see it. So you might have understood. I hope that you might have understood it better. If you have any difficulty in understanding any of the topic, you can comment it and share this video with your friends without any any problem. Okay, and if you have any problem, write down in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. थांब एक मिनिट. काय नाही येतात ना चालू आहे पण हा व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड का नाही झाला.